I just bought a KitchenAid mixer. The series is Professional 600. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing to see what's inside. Let's get started. So this is the attachment. And this is another attachment. So this is the stainless bowl, and here is already attached to it. And the bowl can lift up and goes down very easily. I think the bowl is like 3 feet, and it looks gorgeous, very beautiful in the kitchen, and all the details are pretty good. It comes with 3 attachments, and the only thing that I don't like this one is that it covers with the paint, and probably I'm gonna use them for now, and if the paint do chip, I'm gonna buy the stainless steel ones. And the bowl is pretty good. It's stainless steel, no worry at all. I have spent some time to learn which KitchenAid mixer fits me well. So the reason I choose this one, the first is that I want to make noodles and I want to storage them frozen. And so I need a bigger bowl and a powerful machine to make the noodles. And the second one, I want to use the attachment. So the attachment is the pasta maker, so I need this part to be strong as well. So this model have the 575 watts at the maximum. So it got 6 quart of the bowl, and I think this is probably the biggest one, and I'm very happy with this one. It looks like a great machine. It looks like it can do the heavy job. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.